enemy, a public enemy, used, abused without clues. I refuse to blow a fuse. They even had it on the news.
Don't believe the hype. Don't believe the hype. Don't believe the hype.
What's up YouTube, it's Alan and I'm back with another video. I know there's been a lot of lags between my videos, but this one more than makes up for it. Alright, before I get into the video though, if you're new to the channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button down there because I have a lot of fun content coming along. And if you like early releases, if you like Jordan brand, and if you like the content of the video, give this video a thumbs up because that's what keeps me going. Now, like the title says, you know it's a shopping haul video. I wouldn't really call it a shopping haul. I bought a couple of things here and there, but then I got stuff from Supreme and Stone Island, and most importantly, an early pair of the Air Jordan 1 Shadows. So let's kick off with the Stone Island stuff. Now I got two pairs of shorts from Overkill in the olive colorway. Got a compass patch there, and I got another one in the navy colorway, and that's your compass patch there. Now as you can see, I've worn them. I really couldn't wait to shoot the video to wear them because I love Stone Island shorts. And the good thing about these cargo shorts are they're not your typical dad cargo shorts, which probably would be befitting of my age, but hey, I am trying to make daddies cool. It's my go-to every single day, unless I'm wearing Jordans, in which case then it's probably Levi's. Yeah. Okay, let's not waste any time because we need to get to that sneaker. Let's get into the Supreme stuff. Oh, like you can tell, I'm already wearing the Public Enemy t-shirt from Supreme. This is a black one. It says blow your mind on the back, and the rest of it is right here. So apart from this t-shirt, I got two more from Supreme. This is the Undercover collab, like I was saying. The first one is a white full sleeve t-shirt. It says the counter attack on world supremacy, Undercover, Supreme. And on the back, you have Public Enemy, fear of a black planet. That's the album art. I love this t-shirt. And hey, who says a brown man can't wear Public Enemy t-shirts? Alright, and the last one, this is the third t-shirt that I picked up from the collection. It says welcome to the Terror Dome, Undercover Supreme. But what I loved about this drop is, apart from this t-shirt, they sent me these two files. It says, I don't know what it is, but it says please do not open. So this one's kind of damaged, it's kind of torn. But let's get these slit open. So as you can tell, I'm still at my friend Gaurav's place. It's been 2 months in Bombay and I haven't found a place for myself yet. I wonder what this is, a poster? And there's some stickers too. Oh shit. Nice, look at that. Should be a poster, I'm guessing. It is. Wow. Okay, so it's Supreme out of the way and Stone Island done with. It's time to look at the sneakers. Bam! 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 Da 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 bam! I know. I'm a little bit crazy. Man, was that a Selena Gomez line? Guess so. Alright guys, lifting the lid off the Air Jordan 1 Shadows, and now lifting the paper. Okay. These are not a very hyped colorway. A lot of people aren't feeling them either, is what I hear. So you know what? For a sneaker that's supposed to be dropping in 10 days, getting an early pair is all that matters. No, not really actually. The Air Jordan 1 silhouette is my most favorite silhouette. I love rocking these with jeans, and if I have the bread and I have the Royals, it only made sense for me to get the Shadows as well. I have to tell you, quality on these is insane. So damn soft. Even the bounce back takes a while because the leather is so soft. Look at that. It's not even bouncing back. Oof. So let me tell you about the sneaker, right? Your grey hits on the toe box, the swoosh, and right here are the softest leather I've seen in a long time. The black hits right here, they look just like the regular leather. I mean, it's soft to the touch, but you don't really see the folds. And it's not one of your fake tumble leather finishes. It's not a finish. The leather is actually like this. This part right here. So one of the guys asked me how's the leather on the shadows, and I told them soft like a baby's butt cheeks. And I'd say like mine, but then I have a lot of fuzz on my butt. So yeah, so there's nothing out of the ordinary I can tell you about these, because like the bread toes, the royals, the what's the other one? The breads. The leather quality is more or less similar. I mean, if you ask me, I would risk saying from my perspective, the leather on this even beats the royal and the bread toes. I don't own a shadowed backboard, I can't compare to that, but this is super supple. Do you want to do like a quick comparison? Let me get my other Jordans out. Alright, just give me a sec.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, so since I'm in Bombay and I haven't moved all of my stuff yet, I just have the royals and the bread toes which I picked up recently. So let's do a quick comparison and see how they hold up. Alright? You see that? That's the bread toe leather. It's soft, it's all nice and supple, but that's about it. Let's go to the royals. This is the royal quality of leather. Not too bad at all. And now for the shadows. You see those natural creases right there? You see this? Whew. Man, butter. Look at this. I mean, I guess some of it is also left to your touch. You can figure out from your touch how soft this is. This is soft. This is kind of softer. This baby softest. Also look at the sides, alright? The bread toe sides. You see how the swoosh doesn't have any texture to it, but this white bit right here feels so plush and soft, like the toe box. So nice. But if I were to compare that with the royal, very stiff, only textured swoosh, and on the shadow, soft, stiff, and textured on the swoosh. Yeah. You have a regular nylon tongue with the Nike Air branding, and on the insole as well. Comes with a spare set of grey laces. I'm keeping the black ones on. Yeah. Look at that. Fuck. Oh. Just look at that. God damn. Look at the swoosh. Whew. On this side again. Just look at that. Oh man. Shit, sweet. The Air Jordan 1 shadow drops on the 14th of April, I guess, and today I'm shooting on the 7th, so an entire week early. I'm gonna beat them up between today and the 14th. They'll be available on Nike.com. If that website ever works, you'll probably get a pair. Leather like a baby's bottom, and the smell of innocent sweatshop labor children. Oh. So that's it for now, you guys. Thanks for watching. Like I said, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'm gonna slip the shadows on feet to show you what they look like. And until the next time, peace.